What's up, guys? This is knifesplus.com. Welcome to another walk around. We're going to be taking a look at the new CRKT Maven. This is a Richard Rogers design knife. He did a couple knives for CRKT this year, the Quattro, which we did a video on a little bit earlier, which you can check out if you'd like, and then the Maven. Really pretty similar in design and style. This is a little bit more of like a gentleman's folder, a little bit thinner profile through there. Doesn't have any steel liners in it. Well, it's got the liner lock, but it's nested inside the G10, whereas the Maven is a nice thick steel liners there. A little bit of weight difference. In the hands they really feel different, but when you look at the numbers, the Maven's not a whole lot heavier. Again, it does have the smooth black G10 handles. It is raised ridge through here, kind of like a rooftop type style there. It really feels nice in the hand though. That thicker handle really feels the hand a lot better. The cutout here for the index finger also helps for getting a great grip on the knife. It does have a deep carry pocket clip. It is right hand tip up carry only. There's no other options here. You can see the decorative pivots there. Just a really simplistic design knife. Does have the flipper with a little bit of jimping there to kind of help catch the finger. IKBS ball bearing system, so it just opens and closes very smoothly. Something I did notice, it's a small little detail, but it's kind of milled out around the flipper here. Not a lot, but just a different touch. Doesn't really, I don't know that it does anything for the knife overall, but just I noticed it, so I thought I'd point it out here. 3.5 inch blade. It is made out of 8 CR13 MOV. Pretty basic stuff, but hey, for 40 bucks, man, this knife's going to be hard to beat. Opens and closes just amazing, and it is available at knifesplus.com. Another thing I noticed here, it's kind of an open, the liners don't come all the way to the handle there. Kind of an open construction on the top here. Just a cool design, really neat knife. I will drop a link down in the info section. Get on over to knifesplus.com to learn more.